Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about a significant update in the Singapore family law system, the binding summary for ancillary matters. This document has replaced the fact and position sheet previously used in ancillary matters during divorce proceedings. It's a game changer in how courts handle disputes over matrimonial assets, maintenance, and child custody. Let's explore what the binding summary is, how it's used, what it must include, and why it matters. The binding summary is a structured and binding document required in ancillary matters. Its primary purpose is to ensure clarity, precision, and accountability. Unlike the more open-ended fact and position sheet, the binding summary requires both parties to concisely articulate their claims, positions, and the facts they rely on. It is designed to streamline proceedings, narrow the scope of disputes, and minimize the risk of parties changing their stance midway. By making the contents binding, the court ensures that parties are held to their stated positions unless there are compelling reasons for deviations. To be effective, the binding summary must include several key elements. It should clearly set out the material facts of the case, distinguishing between those agreed upon and those in dispute. Each party must also state their positions on key issues such as asset division, maintenance, or custody, supported by references to affidavits and evidence already submitted. Additionally, a concise summary of legal arguments for each position is essential. This document is not a replacement for affidavits, but rather a distilled version of the case, presented in a way that is clear and easy for the court to use. The binding summary plays a crucial role in court proceedings. It serves as a roadmap for judges, highlighting the agreed facts, contested issues, and each party's arguments. Judges use it to streamline hearings, assess the reasonableness of claims, and keep proceedings focused. By having all the critical information in one concise document, the court can more efficiently address the crux of the case, saving time and costs for everyone involved. This requirement is governed by the Family Justice Rules, specifically under Part 2, which deals with matrimonial applications. Rule 18 of Part 2 of the Family Justice Rules outlines the obligations relating to the preparation and submission of the binding summary. Additional guidance on its structure and submission can be found in the practice directions. Lawyers and litigants must ensure strict compliance with these rules to avoid delays or complications. The introduction of the binding summary reflects a forward-thinking approach in Singapore's family justice system. By requiring parties to crystallize their positions early on and binding them to their statements, the court encourages accountability and promotes efficiency. However, this also raises the stakes for litigants and their legal teams. Errors, unsupported claims, or overly aggressive positions can have serious consequences, so careful preparation is essential. Ultimately, the binding summary benefits all parties by reducing the length and cost of proceedings. With clearer positions and sharper focus, the chances of resolving disputes amicably or through settlement increases. This is particularly important in family law, where prolonged litigation can take a heavy emotional toll on everyone involved. The binding summary is a significant development in how ancillary matters are handled in Singapore, and understanding it is crucial for anyone navigating divorce proceedings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.